warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to this channel on computers, waves, and simulation. I am a university student, accounting department, faculty of economics and business. Now we would like to understand how the earth works. So for that, if you want to understand them, they require simulation technology.
Alright, we've only looked at one dimension. Wave equation in two dimensions so far, only one dimension. Two dimension allows us more detailed understanding of physical phenomena. Actually, in many cases, particularly if you deal with wave propagation, very important to remember, because sometimes you want to compare observation in the three-dimension world with simulation. Here the problem, if you only use two-dimension simulation, it's often quite hard actually to turn the line source into an actual point source solution. Alright, we will solve our first partial differential equation using the finite difference method. The equation. We're going to use the so-called acoustic or scalar wave equation. So basically the simplest wave equation in the second order form we have on the left hand side the second time derivative of P and P is description of the pressure. And this is equal to C square, where C is the propagation velocity of the sound waves. This equation with slight modification is also descriptive as scalar wave equation of plastic waves. The general points about finite difference method. 1. Brute force approach. Include simple mode, low order implementation. Easy method, quick adaptation to problems. You can very quickly take a partial difference equation at least in the one dimension case and come up with a numerical solution. So we learned the many of the physical phenomena are described by partial difference equation result and understand to solve those. Simulate them, visualize the result, and understand the physicals of them. The partial differential equation contains the derivatives that we do not know in general and cannot solve analytically in general case. So, what we could replace these partial derivatives by something else that we can calculate and then simulate our physical system. Alright, the definite difference methods include grid methods, discretization of space and time, replace partial derivatives, information from adjacent grid points. Alright. And these methods are the finite difference method, the pseudo-trial method, and a slight modification of the finite elements method called the spectral element method. And now, who could you be? You might be a student who is interested in getting a practical introduction to numerical methods and also learning a little bit how this is implemented using a programming language. What is simulation technology? What do you think about the simulation technology? It's the application of numerical methods to the partial differential equation that describe the phenomena that you are interested in. A practical introduction to this numerical method by taking the simplest possible equation that is time dependent, the wave equation that's used in many fields, important for many phenomena, and by taking that equation we compare how we can solve it with different numerical methods. That is my online course about simulation, a practical introduction to numerical methods using Python, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, guys. I think that's okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.